Hello everyone, hope you're doing okay. This is going to be a video series on an engine that I'm building. This will probably be the first storyline that I'm going to do to my new Instagram account that my daughter set up for me. So we got here a D16Z6. Get that in focus for you. It's a D16Z6. Came in a lot of Hondas. It was a very popular swap back in the day in the early 90s. Not so common now. Everybody goes to the B series. K series is a big one now. But this is kind of like the forgotten little brother. I'm going to go ahead and build it and see how much horsepower I can get out of it. And see if I can break some hearts out there. It's going to be pretty funny. So I'll have a supercharger on this one. This is a vintage Jackson Racing supercharger. It's a M45 roots blower. I already bought some upgrades for it. And I had a lot of parts laying around. I got some H-beam rods laying around. But this is the supercharger. I'm going to take it apart, sandblast it, clean it, probably coat it with some enamel or powder coat it. But yeah, hopefully I can get, upwards of 250 plus horsepower out of this little four-banger. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned for the build-up. As always, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.